Hi guys, I want to show you today how we can switch up this one service light in Renault Duster. This one, the lights it's showing how we can off this light. Okay, so for this what you will do it, you will do it first to switch off the car. Okay, if the car is switch on, you need to switch off. If the car is off, then okay, no problem, I'm going to switch off the car. Okay, and now just I will make it ignition on. I will not switch on, just only the ignition is on. Okay, and then see here it's showing a message, service required. Okay, then you will click on this, click on these buttons, these two buttons. Okay, and will go until it's reached to the kilometer where it's showing the kilometers. Okay, so I'm going now, I'm just pressing this button. Okay, click, I'm just pressing this button, one down and one up, these two buttons. So just look here now, I'm doing distance, it's showing the average, and now 0 kilometer, and let's see service interval. Now click, press and hold this button and you will see there. Okay, now see it's oil change in 0 kilometer per 8 mo. So press here, press this button for long time until that is disappear. See, it is blinking now and the sign will be disappear. See, the sign is been disappeared. This one sign is showing because only the ignition is on, but the engine is, I didn't switch on. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening, because now in Dubai, Emirat Dubai, it's evening time.